Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Pay template and explore its contents. To install Pay, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage and contents. Using this template, provide your users with answers to payroll questions and surface essential pay services, all from one easy-to-use hub. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. The template installs three models. Pay info stores data on key pay and work information, like grade, salary and hours. Pay history is used to keep a record of paychecks over time. And total reward has been configured to store data on multiple aspects of an employee's income. Using a form, integrations or spreadsheet import, separate entries can be made for different components. For example, salary, bonus, commission or something else. Now head to the Pages section to check out more new content. Locate and select the Pay page. The first block you see is Alerts. This has been configured to only display published alerts with the Pay and Employee Admin content category assigned. A full-width rich text block acts as a divider between your relevant alerts and navigation items. Feel free to play around with the configuration of your rich text box and the language used. The navigation list block uses a filter to only display items with the Pay category. If you don't see anything here, you may need to customize some of your existing navigation items or create new ones from the navigation items page from the Searchable navigation template. Another full-width rich text block acts as a divider between your navigation items and your key pay and salary data. Underneath this, you will see a pre-configured pie chart to display your total reward information. This takes data from your total reward model. We use this model to create a form and enter different reward components. In this example, there's salary, end of year bonus, and employee appreciation day. The Pay History block uses a line graph using data from the Pay History model. We created a form using this model and inputted information to populate it with data. The Latest Pay block displays details from your most recent pay, configured to only display details from 31 or less days in the past. Pay Essentials takes the key details from any information you have inputted about an employee using the Pay Info model. The Call to Action block links the main benefits page from the Employee Benefits template. In this example, we've customized the page. Another rich text block divides your content. Underneath, you will find list blocks for knowledge articles, FAQs and useful links. These have been configured to only display published content with the Pay and Employee Admin content category assigned. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.